Welcome to my channel. If you just bought a Lorex security camera and don't know how to set it up, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up your Lorex camera quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and check everything. Check the box for camera, power adapter, Ethernet cable, if wired, mounting kit. Keep your Wi-Fi name and password ready. Step 2. Power on. Plug the camera into power. For wired systems, connect it to your NVR with the Ethernet cable. Wait for the LED light to turn on. Step 3. Install app. Download Lorex Home app from App Store or Play Store. Open it and sign in. Step 4. Add camera to the app. Tap plus in the app. Scan the QR code on the camera. Select Wi-Fi and enter password. Wait for connection. Step 5. Adjust settings. Now you can set motion detection alerts, adjust video quality, enable night vision, set recording schedule. Make sure to test motion alerts before mounting the camera permanently. Step 6. Mount camera. Choose a good spot. Fix it with screws. Check angle and signal. Final step. Test everything. Check. Live view works. Motion alerts are coming. Night vision is working properly. Now your Lorex security camera is fully set up. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.